fly, cause we stay fly. I'ma be a bitch for life. If they try you.
Welcome, pretty people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious. In today's video, we are doing a glueless wig install. And hear me correctly, this is gonna be a very quick and easy, simple glueless wig install. So this wig is from this Amazon company. I will link the wig description and the link down below. This was 26 inches 5x5 lace closure wig, and it is completely glueless. So we are gonna install this wig without no product to hold the wig down. What I do love about this wig was the curls, but also that grip that you guys see on that band. That's all that's gonna hold this wig down. Okay, so that's what the lace is looking like. I'm not gonna do anything to the lace either. It's just gonna be, like I said, a very quick and simple install. So just a up close look of what the lace looks like. So I'm gonna be using that powder foundation that is the shade of my skin tone at the moment. And then we're gonna do that all over the lace. You can use whatever foundation you choose. I just like powder because it doesn't seep through the lace and go onto the hair itself. So after you apply that foundation all over, gonna make sure that it looks good and everything. And then you're gonna want to brush away all of that flyaway hair that's going to come like to the front of the lace. You don't want that, so you kind of just want to brush that away. Sometimes I would just use a hot comb, but for now, like I said, it's just gonna be a very simple install. So I'm just showing you guys how wide it is. There's no combs on this wig, however, also. So like I said before, that band is the only thing that's gonna secure that wig. And let me tell you something, it was secured. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was very secure. Now I'm gonna apply the wig onto my head just to see how it fits. And you kind of want to like play around with it, pull it down if it needs to pull down, or pull it back if it needs to adjust the lace to the middle of your head, depending on what type of style that you're going for. If you're gonna do a side part, then you kind of want to move the lace over to either side where you want that side part to be. Or if you want to do a middle part or a free part, then obviously you're gonna keep it in the middle. But that's what it's looking like right now on my head. So obviously you guys can absolutely see the lace, and that's where that foundation, that makeup foundation, is gonna come. So the lace already came off, like the lace already came like that. There was little to no lace on it, so I'm just gonna cut off just that little excess. Some people don't have to. I mean, if you're gonna dye it and do all the extra stuff to the lace, it might be blendable for some, but I just want like less work for me, so cut it off. Just cut it all off. So now I'm going in with the foundation, and then you're gonna see that blend. You see that? Yes, I did that. Blending. No product necessary. Yes, lace wear, like I said. So now we're getting into the magic that's gonna really let this look like a glueless. So first things first, we're plucking, okay? We're plucking. You don't have to, but it's still looking wiggy. So we're gonna pluck that. Pluck it as much as possible, as much as you like. Now I'm going in with the ebony glue stick, and that's what we're gonna use to lay the hair down. So I'm putting that all over the perimeter of the wig. So once you hot comb it, that's gonna help like with the flyaways and just help flatten the front of the wig to give it like a more realistic look. So we're going in with the hot comb. This comb, I got it from Amazon. It's really good. The buttons, it has like 3 different functions. I always use the highest function to really flatten my lace. And right here, I'm just trying to figure out what part I desire. And I kind of like the side part. Like yeah, that's where I'm starting feeling myself, because I'm like, yes, yeah. The excitement, yes, I love it. So we're going in with the side part today, okay? We already figured that part out. So we're gonna like do a little deep part. So this is where I'm kind of straightening the part to make sure like everything is neat. And then I'm going back in with the wax stick And then after you lay that down, putting as much as you like on there, then you're going back in with the hot comb, and that's when you're starting to like flatten it down, and that's when you start to see like real results, okay? Like real results, not the wiggy slap on the head type of fail. Like I said, even though this is a glueless wig with little to no product needed, you still need to finesse it as much as possible just for it to not look like you just slapped the wig on your head with no type of product. So now we're going in with some mousse, and I'm just going to kind of tame the hair a little. It really didn't need it because I felt like the mousse was laying down the hair a little bit, and I liked the fluffy feel that it was given at first. But regardless, it's still cute. I love it. Like, this was a very affordable wig. Like I said before, it was 26 inches on Amazon for under $100. I said that, under $100. And no product needed, no hold-in product needed. Everything else is really just preference. You don't have to add all this stuff to it.